Hello, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch the guys XG Million Places Tokyo'dum First World Tour. Guys, oh my god. And this song they are released it today, and also they are performing on Tokyo today. Wow. How they creating like that? It's a sick. Oh, they are perfect. Backup for sure. For the performance, let's see the how many views it's getting in 2 hours. Okay, 30K and 32, 26 like. Okay. It's not main song, but okay. I can agree with this for now. Anyway, let's see if you guys want to know about XG. Just make it a comment, guys, and let's go. Oh my god. Alright. Wow. Wow, she had perfect makeup. What is that? Wow. Oh my god. Oh, nice head move. Wow. Oh my. Whoa, that is cool. Solo move. Wow. What kind of steel this is? Okay, Kokona. Wow. Wow, it's good. Wow. But there is something. Oh, the problem. It's right, I guess. Okay. What? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Very good. Somewhere direction. Yeah, hey. Oh my god. Oh my god, Julia-chan. And a million places. Oh, that was perfect translation, by the way. I never expected that. How they managed. Oh, look at the. Okay, making and coconut showing the camera. Open the camera. Okay. Well, she's doing good on skateboard. Yeah. Hey, that's nuance. This is my hair. Oh my god. Domase. All right. Wow. She looks sick with this hair and outfit, by the way. Wow. 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 Oh, that little eight moves. That's it. Wow. Wow, what a powerful vocal. Hinata? Wow. Wow. That was a good shot. Wow. Bro. That's really sick. Wow. Nice. Nice. Bro, look at this. Just abs, bro. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Yes. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ah. Ooh, good turning there. Oh my god. Wow, that's it. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god. What is that? It's the fans. They are created this one? What's that? It looks so sick. Anyway, let's end the video, guys. If you guys want more about them, please comment down below and take yourself, guys.